Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome to my ZikTalk short videos review. ZikTalk is promising that we can earn money by watching short videos on their platform, and on today's video, I'm going to go through and see if it's actually worth our time or not. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit like to help my video get shown around YouTube and join my free Discord. Let's kick this off. So this is what ZikTalk looks like when you first launch it up. You can see here we essentially have like a TikTok or YouTube Shorts premise going on, where the whole goal is to watch these short videos. Top left corner of the screen, you can see this little circle that's actually growing as we watch the video. Now you might be thinking, okay, is it as simple as it seems? Tapping on that little circle brings up the actual earning explanation. We will receive 10 of the Zik token every day for watching videos for 10 minutes. And you can see here, obviously, we have the different tokens available for today. All of them are currently grayed out. But let's see if they'll actually give me some of these tokens for watching the videos. Pretty much, it's like the Wild Wild West on this platform, by the way. I've seen some pretty weird stuff on here, so just beware. It seems that essentially anyone can upload to it, so keep that in mind, okay? But you can see here that little circle has grown and we're halfway to our first token. Now at the top of the screen, you can see that there's a challenge mode, a For You mode, and following mode. As I mentioned earlier, I get very big TikTok vibes from ZikTalk because you can comment, love it, and of course favorite and share it, while you can also follow creators on this platform as well. Interesting enough, on the challenge page, it seems that you actually don't generate the Zik tokens. And I noticed that half the time the videos don't really load correctly. Like right now the application's frozen, and for some reason my token has gone back to being before halfway. So it seems I actually lost some time on my account there. That's really odd and pretty broken. But now at least the video seems to be playing again. So far, not the best experience. Almost at the point now where I've generated my first token again. At least we have some calm and relaxing videos playing instead of the really raunchy and crazy stuff I can't show you here on YouTube. From what I can see as well, you cannot actually just play a video on repeat. You have to keep scrolling through. Alrighty, there you go. Just received my first Zik token. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to find the Home tab, the Search tab, the plus symbol, which means you upload to ZikTalk, the wallet symbol, and your profile. This is what the wallet area looks like on ZikTalk. You can see here 51 of the Zik tokens equals 5 cents worth of currency. You can also see my transaction history below here as well. So if you don't get what this means, pretty much 10 of the Zik tokens equals 1 cent worth of real currency. Now that is extremely low, especially when you can only generate these once per day, because technically you generate 10 Zik tokens in a 1 day time span. Tapping on the search tab will bring up the search area where you can type in maybe whatever you'd like to watch. I can't really show you too much because there's a lot of weird stuff on here. But now heading back to the For You page, something weird has happened again. They've stated that I haven't earned my first token and now I have to go back to watching more videos. So definitely not what you want to see when you're trying to generate some revenue by watching videos. Now the earning circle is stuck again and the video has stopped playing. Alright, so now it's stating again that I've generated a token. Let's see if it's actually applied to my account. Okay, now it states that I have 2 of the Zik tokens. And now going back to the earning history, you can see that it's actually applied it to my account, apparently. But let me just check the wallet to confirm. Okay, yes, it says it's there now. And now my balance has updated to 52 of the Zik token. Just a really broken experience. There's also a referral system as well, where apparently if you invite your friends, you can generate 25 Zik per person. There's my code if anyone does want to use it, but after I tell you how the cash out system works, I doubt you'd probably will want to use this. So apparently this is a Looniverse Zik token. Tapping on the withdrawal here states that deposit and withdrawal in the Looniverse Zik token is not available. We're preparing for your better experience in ZikTalk. Thank you for your patience. So already a pretty bad sign. But let's say you want to swap to ERC20. You have to make a request, which can take 3 to 4 days after the application has been approved. And here are all the terms and conditions to do this. The swap ratio is 10:1. Swap back to Looniverse after swap is not possible. Once the application has been submitted, it cannot be changed or cancelled. When remittance with ERC20, the gas fee of 3,000 Zik is paid in advance to Looniverse to ZikTalk. This right here is extremely important. You need 3,000 Zik, everyone. And when you can only earn 10 Zik per day from watching the videos, This is literally probably one of the biggest waste of times right now in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate the idea of it, but this is executed very poorly, and no wonder it has the rating it does on the Play Store right now of a 2.5 star rating out of 10,000 reviews. At this point in time, I would avoid ZikTalk if you want to make any type of currency from watching videos. Thanks for watching, see you guys tomorrow.